Good afternoon, I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct, and this is our closing bell for Tuesday the 20th of September. Well, the local market recovered from the recent inflation-related sell-off today, sharply rising 1.29% to close the session in positive territory, driven by a surge in energy, materials and utility stocks today amid the rising price of commodities, with crude up 0.3% today and natural gas rose at 1.6%. The story of the day was IDP Education entering a binding agreement to acquire 100% of student placement agency Intake Education for up to 83 million Australian dollars. Intake is a leading student placement agency with global operations and brings to IDP 3 decades of industry leadership in the UK-bound international education sector. Following the announcement, shares in IDP Education rose 2.66%. Andrew Forrest's Fortescue Metals Group also revealed plans to execute a $6.2 billion capital investment by 2030 to eliminate fossil fuel risk and reduce operating costs by $818 million per year, in another step for the company to achieve real zero terrestrial emissions across its iron ore operations by 2030. Looking at the best performing stocks today, New Hope Corporation led the charge, adding almost 9% after releasing FY22 results today, including revenue up 143.5% and NPAT soaring 1,138.8% to $983 million. The company also announced a fully franked final dividend of 31 cents per share and a 25 cents per share special dividend. Brickworks also added 5.75% today, and Mineral Resources jumped 5.26%. On the losing side, Abacus Property Group took the biggest hit today, closing the session down 2.21%, while Telix Pharmaceuticals and AMP also lost over 2% each. The top traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were Whitehaven Coal, New Hope Corporation and Beta Shares Geared Australian Equity Hedge Fund. Looking at economic data, investors are still awaiting the release of the US Fed's interest rate decision for September, which is out at 4 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday morning. That's your closing bell for this Tuesday. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. We hope you have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in the morning for another morning bell ahead of another busy trading day. And as always, happy investing.